If you're looking for the fastest and easiest solution to send contracts to clients, well, look no further because CloudSpot Studio is here. CloudSpot Studio is a CRM built on the back of cloudspot.io, which is the gallery service that we use to deliver our clients' wedding photos, engagement photos, and all of that good stuff. CloudSpot Studio is a CRM and it is free as long as you are signed up for one of the gallery tiers. CloudSpot actually has a free gallery tier, so you can actually sign up for CloudSpot for free and get the CRM for free. They have an unlimited tier for $34 a month, and I guarantee you this is worth it. All right, we use it constantly, and we don't ever have to worry about how many photos we're putting online. So I would highly recommend getting started with CloudSpot. You can get 50% off any of these tiers at the link in the description. All right, 50% off your first year. So go check that out. But let's dive into Studio here, and I can show you how to create a contract. This is your dashboard. All right, this is what you see when you log in, and all you have to do is click Create Contract. You can start from scratch or you can start with a template. If you want to grab my template made for CloudSpot Studio, you can do so at the link in the description as well. Click that, there we go. Then we can search for clients. So let's say we want to just type in myself here as the client. We can click continue. If you want to add a new client, you can also do so here. And then when you get down here, you can change all this info, all right? You can come down and you can edit any of this stuff. And you're going to have to do this for each and every contract, right? Because you're going to have to add in the location that they're getting married or what the services you are that providing. So like you could type in Philander Chase Knox Estate and bam, done. Save that. Come up in here. You can change this stuff as well. You want to, 8 hours of coverage, 2 photographers, online gallery, 50-page album, right? Like done. Boom. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. You can come in here. You can change all this stuff. Enter amount. Let's just say $8,000. Oh, that's $80,000. $8,000. Insert due date here. Right? So it's very, very simple. You get the gist. This is really easy to do. Let's just say June 24th, 2024. All right. Click done. All right, you'll have to change a few things here as well, right? Like, so anywhere you see insert retainer amount here, insert total balance due, anything you see like those little brackets, you're gonna have to change. But it's really, really simple. Once you're ready to send this, all you have to do is click send contract, and it will take you to this following page here where you can write an email and send it right off to your clients. Your contract is ready to be reviewed and signed. Please let me know if you have any questions, whatever. You can change this to say whatever you want, right? Like you can type it in. You'll see what the email looks like right there on the side. Okay, so this is what they're seeing on the back end here, all right? Obviously, there's some info here that needs to be added. And then down here at the bottom, we can click and sign. We can like draw, which is always a little fun. And sign. Boom, contract signed successfully. I just hired myself for something. You can see the signatures down at the bottom. Guys, it's so easy. That's all you have to do to send a contract to a client nowadays. It makes for a very, very easy workflow. You'll see here that it is signed as well as like on the dashboard. You can see that contract was signed. It's complete. And you can always go back in and check out the contract. So that's how you send contracts to clients here on CloudSpot Studio. It's very, very easy to use. I love the system. Once you get it set up, it's a breeze, and it makes sending contracts like super, super easy. So again, you can get 50% off any of CloudSpot's gallery services, any of those tiers at the link in the description below, 50% off your first year, and you get the CRM for free. All right. It's awesome. I'm going to be diving into more of this in other videos here on the channel. So make sure you subscribe, click that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.